All over the world, countries are committed to changing to clean, sustainable and renewable sources of energy. This transition towards a zero-carbon world is crucial for the future health of our planet. One of the essential enablers of this change is the metal lithium. Lithium is fundamental for the production of batteries for grid-scale energy storage and for powering zero-emission electric vehicles. And electric vehicles are fundamental if countries are to meet their Paris Agreement target to halve carbon emissions by 2030. In the UK, where there are 38.6 million licensed vehicles, of which only 239,000 are EVs, the government has banned sales of new petrol and diesel vehicles from 2030. The demand for EV batteries and for lithium is set to grow exponentially. In 2021, the global production of refined lithium was 500,000 tonnes. Experts forecast that by 2030, the annual global demand for lithium will be 2.7 million tonnes. The UK and EU markets alone will require over 700,000 tonnes of refined lithium a year. But there is no large-scale lithium refining capability in either the UK or the EU. The refined lithium market is dominated by China. UK and EU industries are dependent on China for supplies. But China's own needs are growing. Today, her domestic market takes 35% of her lithium production. By 2030, this will have risen to 85%. When demand outstrips supply, there is opportunity. Green Lithium, working closely with our partners, is well on the way to building the UK's first large-scale replicable lithium refining and battery recycling plant. Our plant will produce 50,000 tonnes of battery-grade lithium a year, enough to meet 7% of the EU and UK's 2030 battery requirement, enough to enable manufacturers to build over 1 million electric vehicles. Our refining process will set new environmental standards. It will be clean and sustainable, and the plant will have best-in-class credentials, with CO2 emissions 80% lower than existing technologies. And because the plant is based in the UK, production will be localised and will therefore meet upcoming EU battery regulations and post-Brexit rules of origin, as well as having necessary environmental, social and governance credentials. The Green Lithium plant is a major step forward in the move towards a strong, green, circular economy. It will help the UK to establish itself as a leader of the electric revolution, building a clean and sustainable future for us all.